Today we're going to chase this Rotor Riot Skyline Mark III drone with my DJI FPV. So we're going to see how that turns out. Hope y'all enjoy, and as always, comment, like, and subscribe. I don't know, but it was interesting. It's gonna make good video. Now look at this smile on the FPV pilot. Look how he enjoys what he is doing. There is no other care in the world right now to the FPV pilot. Nothing but the bird in the air. You don't get this smile anywhere else. Sorry. But flying, that's it. The pilot is completely unaware of what we are doing because he's wrapped up in that. And this is another documentary by not National Geographic. The music is provided by Soundstripe, and the artist is Pele. The name of the song is Flight of the Cephalopod. That's an octopus, so expect really weird, but I thought it was a cool song, so I put it in here. My DJI Racer could not put up with this abuse. This day would have been costly for me. I know it isn't good for the motors, but I love watching that dust, that little dust cloud around the drones when they take off in a dusty area. I've learned one of the toughest things about a drone chase is the trust involved. Going through these trees and things, I'm having to focus on him to try and keep up best I can, so I don't get to look around at the branches and trees like I normally would. So yeah, I have to count on him not to crash, because there's a good chance I will go by and hit the exact same limb. That camera view tilt back, that's me putting my drone into manual mode, full acro mode, so that I can follow him. I really like watching these drones flip in the air. Now we're listening to Spring Street by Wayfair. to Gunner by Fillmore. A lot of pilots can fly standing up. I'm not one of them. I have to be sitting down firmly somewhere, or I will stumble and fall and crash all at the same time. It's like a little sandstorm every time you take off. And if y'all ain't noticed, all the trees are changing colors, so fall is definitely here. They'll drain the lake quite a bit more. It ain't done, and it becomes a really interesting place out here when the water's all low and drained out of the lake. When chasing Kyle down through the dive right here, we almost had a little mistake because I tried to catch up to him, and so I dove hard, and when you dive hard you have to hit the throttle hard at the bottom, and so it makes you go quite a bit faster. So I overshot Kyle right here. It's a wonder I didn't smack him right there. Anyways, enjoy the flight. And now playing is Road Work by the Tiger Gang. And here was another close call. And who am I kidding? If our drones was to contact each other in the air, Kyle's drone would rip through my DJI FPV racer like a 1957 Chevy ripping through a Prius. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and as always, comment, like, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all staying tuned. Have a great day.